Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A72, and today I'll show you how can you improve the face unlock speed. I mean, how faster you can unlock your phone with the face unlock. So at the first you have to go for the settings, and then you have to go for biometrics and security and go for the face recognition. Input your currently logged method, and when you are here we can find three options that we are interested in. The first one is the fastest recognition, so it's less secure. Video or image could be recognized as our face, but to be honest I tested this option a lot of times and there's no way to unlock your phone with video or image. Here we get also another option, the require open eyes. So I can recommend you to turn it off and then turn on the brightness screen. And after that you will be able to notice that your smartphone unlocks much faster. So take a look right now. I'm going to show you. I have to set it in good position. So as you can see it goes like that. And just take a look how it looks when you turn off these options. So as you can see, it's slower, right? And yeah, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.